to use VLOOKUP in Excel. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use VLOOKUP in Excel. VLOOKUP stands for, in a vertical sheet, you're looking for a value. So for the sake of this video, I have taken this particular table and I'm going to show you how you can look for a value in a big table. It's a very small table, but suppose the table is bigger and you want to look for a certain value, so that will help you there. So I'm going to look for the cosmetic value. I'm just going to remove the value that I've written over here in column D. I'm gonna press a VLOOKUP function here, so you can also follow the same. First of all, I'm gonna press is equals to VLOOKUP, and after that you have to look for the value that you want to see. So for example, in this particular case, I'm gonna look for cosmetic value in column D, first row, C1, and after that just click on comma and look for the table array. This is the table that I'm interested in, so I'm gonna select the entire table right here. After that, just press comma again. So that just look for the column index number. So for example, I'm looking for the price. So price located in the column D, which is 4 in number. So just press 4, comma. And after that, if you're looking for approximate match, so that is true. And if you're looking for exact match, that is false. So just press 0, which is stand for approximate match. And after that, just enclose the column and just press enter. So as you can see, that value for cosmetics, which is $200.26, which it shows right here. So in the similar manner, if you want to see any other value for any of the products that are listed here, so you can do the same. This is how you use a VLOOKUP function in Excel. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.